Let's see how to install NVIDIA GeForce Now on Android. Do not forget please to like, share and subscribe. Tap on Google Play. On the search above, write NVIDIA GeForce Now. After you have found the app, just tap on Install. Wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. To use this app, you will need to create an account. You can create a free account, so just tap on Join Free. Here, you can log in with your account or use Facebook or Google. I will use Google. Select the account you want to use to log in. Now check this option and tap on Continue. Our new account is ready. So let's go back to the app and log in. Tap here Login. Select your login option or just write the email and password. I will select Login with Google. Now you are logged in. Thank you, and please subscribe and give us a like and a share.